are you facing Microsoft Word error 0xC004C032 while installing the trial version of Microsoft Office? Then you are at the right place. We have got the easy ways to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Perform a clean boot. You mostly receive the error message, Microsoft Office couldn't activate your time-based license because the activation server reported a problem. Error code 0xC004C032. When you try to install the trial version of Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2013 or Microsoft Office 365 Home on more than one computer. The error code 0xC004C032 indicates that an invalid license has been detected. To fix the issue, first of all, perform a clean boot. The programs and services running in the background can interfere with Office and cause these types of problems. So perform a clean boot to disable those unnecessary running services. Press Windows plus R keys to launch the Run utility. Enter msconfig in the Run command box and hit Enter. The system configuration window will open now. Select the Services tab and check the box right beside Hide All Microsoft Services. Click on the Disable All option. This will stop all the programs that are running in the background except the Microsoft services. Close the window and right-click on the Start menu. Click on Task Manager. Next, click on the Startup tab and right-click on the programs you want to disable. Click the Disable option. Method 2. Activate Office as an administrator. You can fix MS Office activation error 0xC004C032 by activating the Microsoft Office as administrator. To do so, right-click on the Start menu and click on Task Manager. Right-click on Office Programs and select the End Task option. Now, type WinWord in the search box. Then click the Run as Administrator option. Now try to activate MS Office and see if it works. Method 3. Use command prompt for activating Office. Type CMD in the search bar and choose to run command prompt as an administrator. Type this command and hit Enter. Make sure you replace the product key with your actual product key. Once done, restart your PC and try again. Method 4. Use Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant. Visit the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant download page. Click on the download button and wait for the setup file to download. Next, start the setup file and click on Install. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the setup. Run the software and this should automatically detect any issues with Office. Method 5. Reinstall Office. If none of the steps has worked for you and Word is still showing error, reinstall MS Office. To do so, press Windows plus R to open Run utility. Then enter appwiz.cpl in the Run command box. Press the Enter key to run the command. Find Microsoft Office from the installed apps. Right-click on it and select Uninstall option. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. Reinstall Microsoft Office from the official website only and check. And there you have it, the 5 solutions to fix Microsoft Word error 0xC004C032. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method has worked for you. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.